Hi, I'm B. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post on Canva. Go ahead and click on Create a Design up top and click on Instagram post. If you don't see it here, you can always search for it on any of the search bars. The reason why I chose the Instagram post is it automatically saves it to a 1:1 square ratio or 1080 by 1080 pixels, and that would be something that's good enough to post on Instagram. So I actually typically choose from the templates because it's quick and it's easy. But another option is to design your own. And today we're going to make something along the lines of quotes. To start, I will go ahead and search for a background color that I like to push. It'll probably be something that's more pink. Well, that's very bright, so I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bit lighter. And you can also change the color here to find the right pink for you. This one is good enough. It's kind of purplish, but it works. And now I'm going to look for some cute text or font. There's some that's available here, and I think it's really cool. You'll see that's already made, and you just click on it and change the text yourself. And there's some nice free ones as well. I'm going to choose Game On. To change this, just go ahead and highlight or just double click in the text box and just do your quote, which today we're going to be happy. Kind of a retro vibe going on there. You can save it just like this, or you can add more details to it and go ahead and go to Elements, search for some quotes, and you'll see there's many options available. I really like this one right here. I like double sixes. Now it's a little bit too big. Make that smaller, but I like doing that. And if you don't like the color, go ahead and just change it up top. Probably gonna be going for this purple or a blue so it can match. And select the other color up top to make that purple. Now I probably want one on the other side as well, so I'll go ahead and press on Alt on my keyboard and drag it over. And there you go, the other side. And put this on the bottom. And of course, in order to flip this, you head up top and flip vertical and horizontal. I'll probably make this font a little bit smaller so this fits right there. Kind of cute, but let's see what else we have. Something retro. You could probably search that in the search bar. These cool games, this cool electric keyboard, a car. These are nice and fun stickers to add. I'll leave that color there. I think it works. Cute retro TV here. Click on vintage too. It shows you only where it's up top. Flowers might not work, so I'm gonna actually go back to retro and see what else we have. We have a grid here. I think it's kind of cute. Place it right there and right click it. Send it backward and it'll be behind the word be happy. If it's getting a little bit chaotic, remember that you can shuffle stuff around, place it wherever you think it will work. And there's a bar at the bottom. This colors, I'm going to send that backward and lower the opacity there. And the last thing, I'm going to go ahead and go back to text and add maybe a subheading and put my Instagram account. DigitalNerdBee in a different font, of course. So if anybody wants to use this, they can, but I'll still be tagged. And there you have it, a quick, easy quotes Instagram post.